Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more videos.
Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing problem number 15, that is problems on photogrammetry, especially on flight planning. So previously we have solved all 14 problems. You can check that one on my channel, and today is 15. The problem is like this: the scale of an aerial photograph is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. See, scale of the photograph is given. Okay, the photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Photograph size 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Determine the number of photographs required. Determine the number of photographs required to cover an area of 100 square kilometer. If the longitudinal lap is 60% and side lap is 30%. Here only we want number of photographs required for 100 kilometer square area. Okay, simple problem. So first write down the given data. So here scale you have to write in the form like whole number. If it is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter, you have to write S is equal to 100. If it is 1 centimeter is equal to 150 meter, S is equal to 150. Like that you have to write. And here we take the photograph size is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. We take length into width. Small l, small w. See, photograph notations are small compared to the real ground photos. Ground area. Ground points we represent by capital letters. Photograph map letters we represent by small letters. Small is 20 centimeter, small w is 20 centimeter. Determine the number of photographs required. N is equal to question mark. Correct? And to cover an area of 100 square kilometer. Area means capital A is equal to 100 kilometer square or square kilometer. If the longitudinal lap is 60%. See here A is given in the form of 60%. You write it in the point wise. So 60% is nothing but 0.6. So longitudinal lap notation is like this: PL, longitudinal lap. Okay, and side lap is PW, that is 30% means 0.3. So this is how you need to write down the given data. Now we will solve capital. See here, total number of photographs required is capital N. So this capital N will be total area divided by, total area is A, divided by small a. Small a is nothing but area covered by one photograph. Clear? If you do that one, capital A by small a, you will get En value. Now we will see how to find small a. For that purpose, we have one formula: the actual ground length covered by each photograph. See here we have mentioned each photograph. That means one photograph, the actual ground length covered by one photograph. Okay, that will be capital L is equal to 1 minus PL into SL. This is the formula you need to remember. Very, very important formula. Capital L is the actual ground length covered by one photograph. Remember. So that is 1 minus PL into SL. Here 1 is like that. 1 write down like that. PL is 0.6. And yes, here it is 100. L is 20 centimeter. Again, no need to convert the centimeter to meter, because here scale we have considered already 100 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. Therefore, 20 centimeter is equal to 20 into 100. Like that. Okay. Here you have to write in 20 centimeter only. This is one very important step. Don't convert to meter here. 20. Small l 20 centimeter, because yes, we have already converted 100 here. Clear? So therefore, substitute and calculate. L you will get 800 meter. So you write in 0.8 kilometer, because total area is given in kilometer. You write this one also in kilometer. So L is equal to 800 meter. That will be equal to 0.8 kilometer. Similarly, the actual ground width covered by each photograph. Now length is finished. Now you just go for the width. Width is same formula. L becomes W. 1 is same, minus PL becomes PW. S is same. and L becomes W. Wherever you find L here, just interchange by W. You will get actual ground width covered by each photograph. See here, 1 minus PW by SW. Substitute everything. PW is 0.3, S is 100, W is again 20 centimeter. You will get W is equal to 1400 meter. Again convert to kilometer, 1.4 kilometer. So now small a is equal to net ground area covered by one photograph. See, ground length covered by one photograph you calculated. Ground width covered by one photograph you calculated. Now what is the area covered by one photograph? That is length into width, correct? So same thing. So small a is equal to length into width. 0.8 into 1.4, you will get small area 1.12. So this is the area covered by one photograph. Therefore, in order to cover 100 square kilometer, easy. The number of photographs required is N is equal to capital A by small a. Capital A is 100 kilometer square, small a is 1.12. That will be equal to 90 numbers. If it comes 89.9, you have to convert to whole number. Next whole number. Okay. See here, 100 is also in kilometer. This is also in kilometer square. Kilometer square get cancels. There is no units. Not 90 number of photographs required. So easy problem. So next assignment is, in assignment you write both the figures and submit. Problem number 16 is like this. The scale of an aerial photograph is 1 centimeter is equal to 150 meters. See here, S value is 150. The photograph size is 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Determine the number of photographs required to cover an area of 80 kilometers square. See here, A capital A is 80, PL is 70% and PW is 25%. Okay, whatever the answer you get, just comment below this video and write all these two problems.